The Wise multi-currency debit card is one of the best options for travelers in Japan. It offers the real mid-market exchange rate with low, transparent fees and no foreign transaction markups. Before your trip, order the physical Wise card, small one-time fee, and get a free digital version for Apple Pay or Google Pay. Top up your Wise balance and convert to Japanese yen in advance using the app for zero conversion fees when spending. Set your 4-digit PIN and activate the card. In Japan, contactless and chip payments widely accepted in cities, shops, restaurants, and transport. If you hold Japanese yen, it deducts directly. Otherwise, Wise auto converts at the mid-market rate plus low fee. ATM withdrawals. Use international ATMs at 7-Eleven, Aeon, eNet, or Japan Post. Insert card, enter PIN, select withdrawal, and always choose yen. Fees varies by region and card issuance. Free ATM withdrawals up to a monthly limit, for example $250 USD or 25,000 Japanese yen equivalent, then low fees apply, typically 1.75% plus possible fixed fee. Some Japanese ATMs add their own small fee, around 150 Japanese yen.